There she is. Here, come back here, Nathaniel. She'll follow you all over the place. Tutti Frutti. Hi. She'll chase you around. That was cute. Come on, girl. You want to go back in? Come on. Come on. Here, you want to put her back in with the others? Now they're piled together. Hi. Hi. What y'all doing, huh? What you doing? You little pretty boy. Yes. I know. You sweet little things. Sweet little thing. Yes, you're sweet. Can you give them some fresh water, baby? Yes. Yes. You'll have a turn too, okay? You'll have a turn too. Yes, you will. Now you're going to come back out, huh? This is the litter. These other ones just had baths. So they're a little bit wet. It's a nice warm day. They'll dry quick. Hi, pretty. Hi, Moose Tracks. That's little pistachio right there. And there's Tutti Frutti. She's going to curl up for a little nap now with her little brothers and sisters. Aw, you want to play but they don't want to, or what? Huh? Yes. Oh, they're going to take a nap now. Look at them. So sweet. Do that bigger ball there. Put that in and then, yeah, fill that one up. No, you can do it when it's in here. It'll be easier. Thank you. You want some water? You guys are thirsty. Give them lots of water during the day. Yes. Patiently waiting. How sweet. Are you patiently waiting, huh? That's chocolate chip right there. chocolate chip. I'm going to play with them for a while. Nathaniel loves being there with the puppies. All right, I guess we'll say bye-bye. Like, we want to play. You should go get the little squeaky toys. They'll have fun with those too. What is it? Oh, are you feeling lonely? Say bye-bye.